My colleague Sujata is now joining me live on the Mumbai hostage situation. Sujata, what's the situation like there right now? We are learning that the children are now coming out, 20 to 25 kids who were taken hostage.
Well, absolutely, and this is here in Powai, in the very society where these children were taken hostages. Now a school bus has come here to rescue the children, and as soon as from this spot, they were taken to another one such office where the children were kept along with their family members. And now in a school bus, these children are being taken out. Now, one point to be noted that all of these children, they are not only from Mumbai primarily, but they are from several other locations in Maharashtra. Some are from Nanded, whereas some are from other regions of Maharashtra. They had only come to Mumbai in Powai for an audition for a web series, and almost more than 15 kids were here for this very audition. The parents, they were here, but they are waiting during the lunchtime for the children to come out, but because of no announcements being made and there was no hint where the children were able to come out, after which there were complaints that were made to the Mumbai police, and as soon as the Mumbai police rushed the spot, they found out that a man had kept these kids hostage. Now, the man being mentally challenged, he could have literally harmed the kids in any manner, because of which the situation turned out to be even more fragile, but the Mumbai police was successful in rescuing all of these children and handing them back to their parents. At present, what eyewitnesses tell us that parents too were in a state of shock when they got to know that the children here who were here for an audition, but they are currently being kept as hostages. Now this is a very this also turns out to be a very serious situation, because these children were here for an audition purpose, and that too in an area like Powai, which is considered a posh region. Now here children being kept hostages. And also in the video that has been sent out by this mentally challenged accused, he states that he is not going to harm the children until and unless his questions are answered. If they are not, then this can result into anything serious that could be done with the children. The parents were clearly inconsolable, in a state of shock when they got to know this, but for now the accused has been arrested. It is also being told that the accused has injured himself. Now this is even more serious, because the accused ended up injuring himself, and also blood stains could be seen on the clothes and on the uniform of some of these police officials, who state that during the rescue operation, where the police was able to get them inside of the studio through the washroom, they then tried pacifying the situation, talking to the accused, after which it was that all of the children, they were first taken out safely, and then the accused was taken into arrest. Now forensic teams, they have reached the spot to collect evidences, while on the other, all of the children who were here, they are currently being kept in the school bus. They will be taken from this very location and taken to a safe spot first, because the parents are clearly tensed and also worried about how could an audition lead to a situation where the children were taken hostages. Back to you.
Right, Sujata. Of course, the children must be in a state of shock, because they were there for audition and then they were taken into hostage. What we're also learning is that the police found a weapon with the accused, who was mentally ill and of course had demands, and the police also clearly said that the police officials, they had to negotiate with the accused. Tell us more on that.
Well, certainly, and like you see behind me are these, rescue commandos who are here in bulletproof jackets, along with weapons in their hands, because if anything, worse could have happened to the kids, it could have led to a more serious situation. But, like you see these people, it was clearly a situation where it could have turned out even more worse, but the Mumbai police was able to get the situation under control without any harm being done to the children. But yes, there was a weapon that was found, an open fire gun with the accused in the case, and it was taken into custody immediately. But once again, it is that the accused in the case, he was harmed, he was injured. Was it by his own self, or was it during the operations that was carried out by the Mumbai police, is something to watch out for. But the children at present are all safe, is what DCP Datta Nalawade told us. Here you see all the buses which has the children as well as the parents. They are being taken from this very spot, and as soon as the rescue operation was completed, the children were kept here for around 40 to 45 minutes or an hour, and after which it is now that these children are being taken from here in a school bus along with their parents being present within it. And what you see here is this entire school bus filled with children. It was brought here just a few minutes ago, and these children, parents wearing masks, and also children have been given masks on their face. The school bus consisting of children has left the spot, but again several questions are unanswered for the Mumbai police to investigate and find out of how could the accused get control over 15 of such young kids who were here for an audition for a web series. But eventually it turned out to be a serious and a grave situation where children were taken as hostages, and also a video being circulated by the accused himself, a mentally challenged guy who randomly says that he is going to hurt the children and set the entire building on fire. On the right ground floor there is the RA studio in which the auditions were taking place. In this very building the hostages were kept, the young kids were kept, and also we could see them flashing their hands from the windows, and they were clearly who reacted swiftly to the case, and thereafter children now being rescued safely and taken back to say a safe place where first they would be consoled, and thereafter investigation would be carried out in that very direction. Back to you.
Right, Sujata. The good news is that all the children have now been rescued, and like my colleague there showed, the bus with the children and the parents have left the area there where the hostage situation took place. Thanks, Sujata, for getting us the latest on this. Let's now listen in to the bite of the accused, who clearly said that he had rather chosen hostage taking instead of suicide. Take a listen.
The slightest wrong move from your end will trigger me कि मैं ये पूरा जगह को आग लगा दूं और उसमें मर जाऊं. मैं मर जाऊं या नहीं मर जाऊं, बच्चे unnecessary hurt होंगे, traumatized definitely होंगे. उसके ऊपर कुछ होगा तो मुझे पता नहीं. उसका जिम्मेदार मुझे ना गिना जाए, उसका जिम्मेदार उन लोगों को गिना जाए जो अननेसेसरी ये ट्रिगर कर रहे हैं, जबकि एक नॉर्मल कॉमन पर्सन सिर्फ बात करना चाहता है.
पवई पुलिस स्टेशन को 1:45 बजे एक कॉल आया था, डिस्ट्रेस कॉल. उसमें कॉलर का कहना था कि कुछ लोगों को महावीर क्लासिक करके एक बिल्डिंग है पवई पुलिस स्टेशन के एरिया में, वहाँ पे बंधक बना के एक व्यक्ति ने रखा है. इस कॉल को रिस्पॉन्ड करते हुए तुरंत यहाँ पे सीनियर पीआई और बाकी पूरे पवई पुलिस स्टेशन के ऑफिसर्स वहाँ पे पहुँचे. यहाँ पे क्यूआरटी और बाकी भी जो स्पेशलाइज्ड ब्रांचेस है वहाँ उनके लोग, और उस व्यक्ति से भी जिसने ये होस्टेज करके रखा था हमने चर्चा की कोशिश की. बाद में हमारे मुंबई पुलिस के ऑफिसर ने फोर्स एंट्री करते हुए, फोर्स का यूज़ करते हुए 17 बच्चे, एक सीनियर सिटीजन और एक सिविलियन, इन सबको रेस्क्यू किया गया है.